Tax time. Understanding your filing status. Tax season. For many, the word alone can bring a sense of dread and confusion, sorting through forms, understanding complex rules, and worrying about making a mistake. But what if it didn't have to be this way? What if understanding your taxes, starting with something as fundamental as your filing status, could be clear and manageable? Your tax filing status is the foundation of your income tax return. It determines your standard deduction, tax brackets, and eligibility for certain credits and deductions. Choosing the correct one is crucial and can significantly impact your tax liability or refund. There are 5 primary filing statuses in the United States. First, single filing status. This is for individuals who are unmarried, divorced, or legally separated on the last day of the tax year. It's straightforward and often the simplest to determine. While the tax brackets and standard deduction for single filers are generally lower than some other statuses, it provides a clear path for individuals managing their own tax affairs. Next, married filing jointly. This is the most common status for married couples. When you file jointly, you combine your income, deductions, and credits on one tax return. The benefits here can be substantial, including a larger standard deduction compared to filing separately, and access to valuable tax credits like the Earned Income Tax Credit and education credits that may not be available otherwise. For many couples, this status results in a lower overall tax liability. If you are enjoying this video, please help us by hitting the subscribe, like, and share button. Your engagement helps more people just like you discover our videos and access this valuable information. While married, some couples choose to file separate returns. This might be beneficial in specific situations, such as when one spouse has significant itemized deductions, like high medical expenses, that would exceed a certain percentage of their adjusted gross income, or AGI, when calculated individually rather than jointly. It can also be a consideration in situations of divorce or separation, or if a spouse is concerned about being liable for the other's tax errors. However, filing separately often results in a higher tax liability compared to filing jointly and can limit eligibility for certain credits and deductions. The head of household status offers significant tax advantages for unmarried individuals who pay more than half the cost of keeping up a home for a qualifying person, usually a child. This status provides a higher standard deduction and more favorable tax brackets compared to filing as single, recognizing the financial responsibility of a supporting household. Finally, qualifying widower with dependent child, also known as qualifying surviving spouse. This status is available for up to 2 years after the death of a spouse, if the surviving spouse has a dependent child and meets certain other requirements. It allows the surviving spouse to use the married filing jointly tax rates and the highest standard deduction amount, providing a measure of tax relief during a difficult time. Understanding these statuses and their implications is vital, but the complexities of tax laws can still feel overwhelming. What if you're unsure which status is right for you? What if you need help navigating deductions or credits? This is where the TAAX app comes in. TAAX app is designed to remove the worry from tax filing, offering a comprehensive marketplace that connects you with certified and verified financial professionals. Through the TAAX app marketplace, you can easily find and connect with tax preparers, accountants, and other financial experts who can provide personalized guidance based on your specific situation. No more sifting through endless online searches or relying on unverified recommendations. The app streamlines the entire process. You can securely share your tax documents directly through the platform, eliminating the need for mail or physical copies. Communicate with your chosen professional via in-app messaging or even schedule video calls for face-to-face consultations, all within the secure environment of the app. TAAX app's goal is to make tax filing less stressful and more accessible by providing a centralized marketplace for qualified professionals and offering tools for seamless communication and document management. They empower you to approach tax season with confidence, knowing you have expert support at your fingertips. Don't let tax season be a source of anxiety. Understand your filing status and explore how the TAAX app marketplace can connect you with the help you need for a smoother, worry-free tax filing experience. Download the TAAX app today. If you found this valuable, please subscribe, like, share, and comment below. Your engagement helps more people just like you discover our videos and access this valuable information.